This is practice 8 for section 3.5. We're going to look at numbers 14 through 16 in this video. They want you to write an equation of a line that passes through the given point P and has the slope lowercase m. So in this previous exercise, if you had a slope and a y-intercept, you could write the equation of a line. It was really easy when you had both of those things. Now in this section, they give you the slope, so half of it is easy. Now the other half, you don't know. You don't know the y-intercept, but what you do know is a point on the line. And with that point on the line, you can actually find the y-intercept. So I'm looking for a piece of paper here. Space is tight, okay? So you probably need more room than they give you to actually work this out. So get another piece of paper. I don't have one handy here. I'm going to try to squeeze it in. So here's going to be my answer for number 14. Y equals mx plus b. And I know my m is 3, so I can put a 3 right here. So I'm halfway done. I just don't know my b. Or do I? If you look at this ordered pair, 0, 2, where would 0, 2 live on the graph? Well, if you look at this one, isn't 0, 2 right here on the y-axis? Anytime your x is 0, your y-coordinate is the y-intercept. So you really need to keep your eyes open for this situation. It's going to save you a lot of work. This is the y-intercept right there. So here's your answer to number 14. Y equals 3x plus 2. Now, it's not always going to be this easy because if you look at this next one, notice how the x value is not 0. So this is not the y-intercept. You're going to have to find it on your own. And I'll show you how to do that on this one if you didn't watch the lessons. You probably should go back and watch the lessons. Not a lot of views on my lessons. Maybe pick that up for me. Thanks. So y equals mx plus b. I know my m is 2. So my answer is y equals 2x plus something. Whatever the y-intercept, I'm going to put it right there. Okay, now how do I find the y-intercept if I know a point on the line that isn't a y-intercept and the slope? Well, here's how you do it. You write down y equals mx plus b. And you're going to know 3 of these things. The thing you don't know is the b. You know the y value is 0. You know the m value is 2. You know the x value is 3. Solve for that lowercase b. 2 times 3 is 6. If you subtract 6 from both sides, you're going to see that your lowercase b, your y-intercept, is negative 6. Now I actually would have shown that if I had a little more space, but hopefully you understand basic algebra at this point. Number 16, same thing. Look at your ordered pair. Is that a y-intercept? It's not. The x value is not 0. So here's your answer. Y equals 1/2 x plus something else. My slope is 1/2. The y-intercept I don't know, but I'm going to find it. So y equals mx plus b. I like to write that down first. I know 3 of these things. The thing I don't know is this guy. And when I find them, I'm going to put them right there. Y is 4. M is 1/2. X is 2. Solve for b. 1/2 times 2 is 1. And if you want b by itself, you subtract 1 from both sides, and you get 3. I'll circle that because that's your answer. Really important to understand this step before we go any further.